the most important thing for us was that we find a partner and that we find a company that had a lot of experience with other retailers. And that was the thing that completely blew all the others out of the water. So it was 100% clear that People Answers came with an expertise that some of the others didn't come with. And so rather than them asking us questions about, oh, what do you think we should do? When we came to People Answers, they absolutely knew, look, this is a best practice. This is what we've seen work. This is what we've seen not work. And that was the kind of thing that made the choice very clear for us. We just launched very recently, and it was a very, very seamless launch. We took about 2 or 3 months to actually go through the implementation and for People Answers to develop the profiles, and it was absolutely seamless. We felt like People Answers was such a perfect partner for us. They helped us get our IT people involved, the right HRIS folks involved, and really gave us a lot of great guidance. So it took about 2.5 months. It was very speedy. We developed 4 profiles, and we launched very, very quickly. Our district managers and sales leaders went through a training right after our launch, and the feedback was so positive. For them, it wasn't just about the system being easy, intuitive, and seamless. It was also about getting candidates in there already who they would never have sourced on their own, and then also about all the development tools that were offered and ways to help onboard a candidate. So once you actually move to hire someone, wow, look at all the tools I have. First of all, through the interview process, they have this great interview guide that they could then use to probe additional questions of the candidate. And then they know, okay, now I have a huge amount of information that I never would have had. And when they bring the person on, they have all kinds of onboarding tools and materials to help make sure that person's transition into the business is successful. I would say definitely look at the partnership and the experience of People Answers because it's more valuable than you realize up front. If you're starting to look and you're not 100% sure what the difference is, if you think, well, maybe the assessment is somewhat similar, you're just really spending your time thinking about how long it's going to take the candidate to take the assessment, those are important factors and they do matter in your decision, but the differentiator, I believe, should be finding a partner and finding someone that's going to be able to, again, come as the expert for you and be able to answer questions for you and come with the experience that People Answers does.